Dear students, this is our last module on Dreamweaver, and in this module we are going to practice all of the things which we have learned, and we will start inserting images on which we finished the last module, and we will also practice that whatever we have learned until now, how we can make use of all of those things to make a really attractive web page that have some information for others. So let's start the practical. So first of all, I have the same document, and let's say my final page as a title, and then for example I'm interested to make something as tourist places in Pakistan. So I want to make a page for it. So I selected it, and you can see it's over here, and then I can say that this should be heading 1, and it would be shown like this, lively like this, and I can also add bold to it. All right, and then I can also go into format, and here is different styles which are available which I can use, and I can also use the color. So for example, if I want to say that this should be the color for tags which are like strong one, for example, so you can see that it would be shown like this. So anything I will make as strong will have this color from now. And let's go again back to the system, and after this I need to add a table. So let's say I want to add a table which has 4 rows and maybe 6 rows and 1 column, and it should comprise of a large wide row like this one. So you can see that it has appeared, and now I can create some space over here, and here I can write whatever I want, and you know where I need to write. I need to write over here. This is this page tells us the beautiful available in Pakistan. So this type of thing I want to write, right? So this has appeared like this, and then I can add here an image. For example, maybe here insert image, and first of the image is maybe from Faisal Mosque, so I will name it as Faisal, and I will see how it looks. It looks quite a big image, so maybe we can try to make it a little bit smaller. So in the design you can see, and then for example here you can add the next one in the split. So you can write over here in this column, this is very interesting building in Pakistan, and you can see that it has appeared like this, and then I can add an image over here. Yeah, over here, insert image, and this is the monument of Pakistan, and I will give a name. So you can see that this monument has appeared, but it has long width and height, so maybe I need to make it 700 by 500 to just show you. Yes, it is being shown over here. So this page is being developed, and I can also select this text, and in HTML I can try to make it bold, and you have seen that as soon as I have made it bold, the same style which I have applied on it has been applied on it, right? So such kind of formatting and style you can use from here. So let's add another image, insert image, and this is Badshahi Masjid. Right, and let's see how it looks like. So it is again having large width, so maybe we can reduce it to 650 by 500. All right, so this page would look like this, and when we save all, it has been saved as somewhere here, my 4th page. So if I click on it, so you can see that it is showing the title over here, my final page, and then the heading having tourist places in Pakistan, and then I have written some information with the picture, then another information with the picture, and then another image, and I can add some other information with it. So you can practice such things at home by collecting different type of images from internet that belongs to different tourist places in Pakistan, and you can also copy the information related to those images, and you can make such an interface, and then you can also say like this, for example, at the end here in the split code, if you are here, so you can say developed by your name, right? So it will end like this, so it will show like this, and let's save, and then let's go into the same location and try to see the page again, and you can see that at the end it is showing that developed by your name. So this is very powerful tool, the Dreamweaver, which has many functionalities, but as we are in the first semester, so we do not make you burdened of many different things which are possible to be designed in web development. So you might be learning some of the courses related to web development, and there you will also learn some programming to add some buttons which will work, and when you click on those buttons, so it would give you some meanings as you normally use those buttons in normal web pages. So you would be able to make enough progress in this area when you will study those courses. But until now, you have a starting place that you can at least build your own home page with your own picture, with your own details. So I think you should try to build your own web page explaining what you are, how you are, and what are your plans. So all of such things can be added to such web page of yours, and then at the end you can write your name. So dear students, let's conclude today's module. We have learned that how you can practice all of the things which we have learned using Dreamweaver, and we have made a practical example, real world example, where we have made a web page, and that web page was explaining the tourist places in Pakistan. And I have discussed that you should try to design your own home page explaining your own ideology and your picture on that particular web page.